To speed up your workflow in Google Slides, you can always utilize the keyboard shortcuts. And to know what they are, you have to go to Help and then go to Keyboard Shortcuts right here. So here you can see that there are wide range of keyboard shortcuts right here, and on the left side it is divided by tabs. You can also scroll up and down to see what each one of them does. So here you can see that there's like shortcut to duplicate slides, to move slide up and so forth. So I'm just going to go around and press Ctrl D. So I'm just going to select the slide, press Ctrl D, and you can see that the slide duplicates. Let me add in a content right here and press Ctrl D, and you can see that there's a duplicate of the slide. So I don't have to go through the process of right clicking by going into duplicate right here, which is 2 more steps. And over time, the way of how you work, that is the time of efficiency adds up. So I'm just going to go around right here and then go to keyboard shortcuts, see some others as well. So you can see that there's duplicate right here with objects as well. There's groups, there's bring forward, there's resize and so forth. So you can see all of these shortcuts are here. There's like left align, and there's like editing right here. You can insert link, you can define word right here. You can even access out a lot of things. As you can see, you can zoom in, explore, you can go for file menu, insert, and so forth right there. So Alt-Shift-S is slide menu. So Alt-Shift-S is slide menu, as you can see right here, which you can access quite fast. And that is how you can utilize the keyboard shortcuts and see where the keyboard shortcuts are for each of the item inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.